Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day everyone. We are group 7, consistent of our present. My name is Ahmad Jaya Ramadhani,
My name is Muhammad Kudri Firdaus.
and today we are pleased to present our topic, transitional signals in SI writing. Accompanying SI is not just about having great ideas, it is about how those ideas flowing together to create cohesive arguments. Many students struggle with choppy writing, where sentences feel like isolated islands of truth rather than a unified journey. The secret to bridging the gaps lies in transitional signals. Throughout this presentation, we will explore what the signals are, the different grammatical categories they fall into, and the various functions they serve, from adding new information to concluding a complex discussion. By the end of this session, you will have a better understanding of how to use the verbal bridge to guide your readers through your logic with clarity and precision. Let's begin by defining what exactly a transitional signal is and why it is so vital for academic writing.
To start, what actually is a transition signal? But simply, it is a word of praise that helps the reader understand the link between your idea. You might also hear them called linkers, logical markers, or cohesive device. Grammatically, we categorize them into three types. First, we have sentence connectors, which link entire sentence or paragraph, such as however or moreover. Next are clausal connectors, like although or but, which connect to the clause within a single sentence. Finally, phrasal connector are typically followed by a noun, such as because of, this is tool, act as signpost. Without them, a reader might get lost, not knowing if your next sentence is meant to support your previous point or contradiction. Understanding this is grammatical structure is the first step toward using them naturally in your writing to ensure your essay remains fluid and easy to follow.
Transitional signals are categorized by their specific functions in a text. The most common function is addition, where you introduce a new supporting idea using words like furthermore, moreover, or additionally. If you need to show a difference or a shift in purpose, you use contrast signals such as however, on the other hand, or conversely, when you want to highlight similarities between two concepts. Comparison words like similarly, likewise, or in the same way. Are you pistol? Lastly, we have concession, which is used to show a unexpected result or the knowledge and opposing view before moving forward. Signals like nevertheless, despite, or nonetheless help you maintain your argument, even when acknowledging complexity. Mastering those For functions allows you to manipulate the direction of your SI's logic, making your transition feels intentional rather than accidental.
Moving on to our second set of function, we look at how to show relationship in time and logic, cause and effect. Signals are critical for analytical writing. You might use due to or since to explain a cause, and therefore or consequently to highlight the result. If your essay follow a timeline or specific process, chronological order, signal like first, subsequently, and finally will keep your steps organized. For moments where you need to highlight a particularly vital point, emphasis signal such as indeed, in fact, or significantly draw the reader eye to your most important data. To wrap everything up, conclusion signal like in conclusion overall, or to summarize, lead the reader now. You are bringing your thoughts to a final unified point. This is signal ensure that the big picture of your essay is clear from start to finish.
To see the signal in action, let's look at some practical example with an essay context. For additional consider, the experiment was successful. Furthermore, it provided unexpected data. For contrast, we might say that technology is advanced. However, it is still too expensive. When comparing, we can note that robot can perform surgery. Similarly, AI can diagnose diseases. To solve conversation, we use phrase like despite the heavy rain. The research continued. Log- log- Logical links are shown through cause and effect, such as the project was delayed due to a lack of funding, or the results were inconsistent. Therefore, more testing is required. We also see sequencing with subsequently and the emphasis with in fact. Finally, a study might end with overall, the study shows that solar energy is a viable alternative. This example demonstrates how transition turned into simple facts into a sophisticated narrative.
Before we conclude, we want, we want to offer some expert tips to help you use this signal effectively. First, avoid overuse. Beginner writers often rely too heavily on edition transition, which can make a paper feel repetitive. Use them only when they truly add value. Second, strip for precision. Be careful to distinguish between result from which precedes a cause and resultant, which precedes an effect. Confusing this can flip the logic of your entire argument. Finally, use variety. While words like an or but are fine for casual speech, academic writing benefits from more formal transition like furthermore or in contrast. By varying your vocabulary and main phrases with your logic, you can elevate your writing from basic to professional. Thank you for your time and attention today. We hope this will help you in your future easy writing.